Good morning everyone. This is Prakash Kumar Gupta from Brilliant Public School, Behtarai. Today we are going to learn about sequences and series. What are sequences? If we have a set of numbers like T1, T2, T3 where there is a rule for working out the next numbers, we call this set a sequence. If so many numbers are arranged in such a way that we can easily find the next term or the next number, then it will be called as sequences. Every number in the sequences are called terms, and Tn is the nth term, like T1, T2, T3, first term, second term and third term. So Tn will be the nth term. Example, suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. So here nth term will be 3n. 3, 9, 27, 81. What could be the nth term for this? Any guesses? Here the nth term will be 3 to the power n. You can see. Next is 1, 3, 6, 10. So nth term will be the triangle numbers it is. First 2 is added, then 3 added, then 4 added, similarly 4, 5 added, 6 added, and likewise. The next is series. What is series? Series is just when the terms of sequence are added, like T1 plus T2 plus T3. So if all the terms of sequence are added together, then it forms a series. Now, arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence only for numbers such that the difference d between each consecutive numbers or the terms is a constant, like a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. Here you can see all the terms are having a difference d only. Nth term of AP is a plus n minus 1d, and the sum of first n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, and we can write in another forms also, n by 2 a plus l. Now geometric progression. Geometric progression, like in arithmetic progression we had common difference, here we have common ratio. A geometric sequence or geometric progression is of the form ar square ar cube dot 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 is called a geometric progression. Here nth term will be an, and an is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. Sum of n terms a bracket open 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, and if 1 is greater than r, but if r is greater than 1, then a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. If the numbers or the terms are infinite, then s infinity we will write will be equal to a upon 1 minus r. For a set of positive numbers a1, a2, a3, the arithmetic mean we are knowing already, a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot 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 an upon n, like sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. And arithmetic mean of two positive numbers a and b only is a plus b by 2. Similarly, geometric mean of n terms is equal to square root of a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an. But geometric mean of only two positive numbers, that is a and b, equals to square root of a and b. Next is NAMs and GMs between a and b. So how we are finding it? A1 is equal to a plus d, and d will be equal to a plus b minus a divided by n plus 1, and will be multiplied. Here b minus a upon n plus 1 is denoting the d. This is common difference. So if you multiply by 2, then second term, if you multiply by 3, third term, and likewise the nth term also we can get. But in case of geometric progression, G1 will be AR and A, and this will be the R common ratio. So if the power is 1 upon n plus 1, then first term, first GM, but for the second power will be 2 upon n plus 1. Likewise 3 upon n plus 1 and dot 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 A B by A n plus n by n plus 1. Now some special series are there, like if 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 up to n we want to add, so one formula is there for this, n plus 1 divided by 2. And if 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot 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 up to n square if we want to add, so one formula is there for this also, n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dot 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 plus n cube we have, then n plus 1 whole square upon 4. Okay, thank you very much everyone.